Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Westford Bridge Private Nature Reserve, Knysna, 6,571, South Africa for R2,650,000. Nestled in nature. This secured nature reserve is offering a unique experience, surrounded by indigenous vegetation, with various walking trails for you and your dogs to discover while overlooking the Knysna Lagoon. The estate owns a boat slipway for the exclusive use of its owners into the Knysna River. The house is a comfortable 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property with the ground floor, modern open-plan living area flowing onto the wooden deck overlooking the Knysna River and lagoon. The spacious main bedroom with ensuite bathroom is also on this level. The second and third bedroom leads off the upstairs TV lounge. The stairs from the double garage leads down into the entrance hall. Beautiful cycads and a water feature forms the backbone of the beautiful garden. A delightful setting in a unique nature reserve. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.